OnePay Walmart Review. OnePay is a digital wallet created by Walmart designed to make shopping quicker and more rewarding. By linking your debit or credit card to the app, you can pay securely at Walmart stores on their website without needing to swipe a physical card. Plus, it offers a cashback reward system where you can earn rewards for every eligible purchase and redeem them through a linked OneCash account. One of the standout features of OnePay is the flexibility it offers when paying, as you can use debit or credit cards and other payment methods at checkout. The cashback rewards are a great incentive for frequent shoppers, adding up to savings over time. However, there are some downsides to keep in mind. OnePay is mostly limited to Walmart, meaning if you shop at other retailers, it won't be as useful. Also, to unlock a better rewards, you may need to meet requirements like setting up direct deposit or maintaining a minimum balance in your account, which could be inconvenient for some users. In March 2025, Walmart made a change by replacing Affirm with Kelana as its buy now, pay later partner. This means you can now split your payments for purchases into installments with Kelana directly through OnePay. For Walmart loyalists, OnePay can be a handy tool to streamline payments and earn rewards. However, if you are looking for a more universal wallet that works across multiple retailers, this might not be the best option for you.